Can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. One more time.
Hi first graders, welcome back to another week of the Mrs. O Math Show. I'm so excited today to start a new unit with you. How many of you guessed what this new unit's going to be about when you heard the ticking sound at the end of my last video? We're going to learn how to tell time on clocks. Today's lesson is going to be making a clock together. To make our clocks today, you need to get a few materials together. Here's what you'll need. First, go into today's packet, week 4, day 1, and find a page that looks like a clock. You will also need to find the metal brad that's in that Ziploc baggie with your packets. Find the paper plate that came in your baggie of packets, and a glue stick and scissors. Go ahead and hit pause on this video while you get these materials together and hit play when you're ready to make your paper plate clock. Time to get started. The first step is to carefully cut out the clock face, the hour hand, and the minute hand, just like this. The second step is to glue your clock face to the bottom of your paper plate. Your paper plate clock should look like this so far. This third step can be a little tricky, so you may want to have your parent help with this. For the third step, I want you to take the long minute hand and put it on top of the short hour hand, like this. Line those corners up. Then, take the sharp end of the metal brad and carefully poke it through both of those hands. Do this slowly and try not to rip the paper. It should look like this when you're finished with this step. Then I take the brad and hold the paper and I twist it around just a little bit so that the minute and hour hand can move around in a circle on here. Be careful. Do your best not to rip the paper. This last step can be a little tricky too, so take your time and do this carefully. I want you to take your paper plate with the clock face on it and your scissors, and we're going to carefully put a small hole right in the center of the circle. Do you see the hole I have in mind? All you have to do is take your scissors, put them in the middle, and slowly twist just to make a small hole. Once you have that, take your clock hands with the brad, and I want you to put that right through that hole on your paper plate. The last step in our clock is to turn it over and take the brad, separate the arms, and fold them down like that. Now your clock is ready to use. We'll start using our clocks to tell time in tomorrow's lesson. The only thing left to do in math today is to complete your 120 chart for the week. All right, first graders, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.